I would tell you because my journey is very unusual. But what I learned is that if you work hard without worrying what I want to, but just keep working, your destiny will take you. In my journey, I never dreamed of going to US. Never. I never tried. I never tried to go to US. And even when I went over there, I was not planning to stay over there. A friend of mine went over there and he kept me bugging like, you need to come here, you need to apply, like I'm not interested. He sent the application for. And okay, so all my friends have application admission हो गया without funding में नहीं आने वाला, funding आ गया. Now my friends are pushing, अरे लोग तो इतना मेहनत करते हैं तेरे पास घर बैठे आ रहा तू नहीं जा रहा, मेरे जाने का मूड नहीं, तो मैंने कहा चलो अभी US embassy में वीजा नहीं मिलेगा. I mean there's one more step to go. I'm honestly, I'm not making it, it's realistic. And even there I said, US embassy में वीजा मिलता है नहीं मिलता है वो मेरे को ही मालूम है, बाकी को तो नहीं मालूम. So when I went to US embassy, there was a guy sitting on a high chair and there's a big line, and so I gave him my paper, and my friend told me there's a big fat lady who rejects most of the visa. So I'm actually looking on those windows. And this guy was asking me question, what's interested in engineering? Like, just give me a break. I mean, I honestly did not even respond to this guy. And he said, okay, collect your papers, give it to window number so and so, and come back at 3:30 and collect your visa. I'm like, what? Literally, I'm giving an exact picture. So now those who are getting visa, they are jumping, and I'm like, okay, that hurdle is also not helping me. But then I said, okay, it's only I know that I got a visa. None of us, my friends, know. I was staying at my friend's house. He's actually currently a chief of the forest department in Delhi government. He was in Delhi at that time. किस्मत होता है ना, वो बोलते हैं कि जब सारे सब बुरे दिन साथ आते हैं सब कुछ एक good. He came to home for lunch. So I went over there कि क्या हुआ? मैंने कहा 3:30 बजे फिर जाना. बोला ठीक है अपन दोनों साथ चलते हैं. मेरे गाड़ी में चला. किस्मत हुआ. So that's how I actually ended up going over there. And so my advisor wanted me to stay there and work as a GR at Ford Motor Company, and I said no, I don't want to. I finished my PhD in 2.5 years. And he said, बोला तेरे को thesis लिखने का है ना, मैंने तेरा इंटरव्यू फिक्स करवा दिया, कल फोर्ड में जाकर इंटरव्यू दे. 6 महीने नौकरी करने पर चला जाऊँगा. So I got stuck in Ford. I'm working on a project which needed 3 or 4 months to continue. I thought let's finish it. They didn't give. So like, you are losing, I'm not losing anything. MNIT is losing me. So that's how I stuck, So
Next question.
I didn't go there to stay, I got stuck there.
Yes, next.
Any other question?
Sir, how we overcome our hesitation when we speak?
Talk more. Yeah. Organize the groups among the students in the hostels. My daughter is in 7th grade. And she goes, even today she is going for debate. She does the research. She's talking on the trade deficit with China, the ban on Venezuelan government by US, what's the effect of it, how it helps the country, how it does not help the country. She goes and does the research online, and then she goes talks they takes part in debate, and there itself they come up with a report and say, if she's talking is my competitor, then whatever she's talking I'm noting down, making the point, and then counter those, come up with the evidence. So organize those kind of group activities within your hostel, and among the friends within the department here. Get involved more into those activities and talk. There's no medicine which anyone can give any one of us and we suddenly become. It's all practice.
Okay, next please.
Effort.
Why English is important for communication?
Huh?
Why English is important for communication?
No, I'm not saying no. English is not important. I'm not a big English fan, but you can't survive without English. It's important because wherever you go, the majority of the interaction takes place in English. It's a sort of a common language from people coming from different countries and different regions. And then अपने यहाँ कुछ ट्रेंड भी बोल रहे हैं इंग्लिश बोलने वाले कुछ ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे माने जाते हैं।
तो बट हम लोग तो इंडिया में रहते हैं।
मैं इंडिया की बात कर रहा हूँ बाहर तो अंग्रेजी बोलते हैं but in your India, look at everybody is speaking English. It's a business because after doing this you are dealing with a business corporate world, and they not only talk